guys, in this video we will learn about what exactly is the stateless and stateful widgets. But before that we should know what is a widget. As in Flutter, everything is a widget. Okay, so what exactly is a widget? Widgets are the fundamental components that completely, when they join or you can say components which join together and make a graphical element presented to the user, like the buttons, text boxes, images, and however the way you want to make it look. So these are the widgets, and these widgets have two types in this Flutter. First one is the stateless and the stateful widget. So stateless widget is actually a kind of widget in the kind of scenario where if a widget can change when the user interacts, then it is a stateful. Otherwise, other case, if you say that a widget which does not change when the user interacts is a stateless widget. Means I want to say, like, you clicked on button on some action happened on the screen, that is actually the stateful widget. But when you clicked on button or something is not happening on the screen, that is a stateless widget. So here is a difference I have told you, as like mentioned here in the screen. A side by side we can do the comparison. Attributes, we can compare it with the immutable state, dynamic behavior, rebuild, triggering, use cases, performance, code complexity, usage flexibility, and example widgets. So as you can see in this video, they have a mutable state, that is stateless widget, and they cannot have static behavior, does not respond to the action of the user, or does not trigger a rebuild of the state, displaying static content. The same thing is another way, like highly efficient and lightweight, simple and straightforward, minimal boilerplate, means like is very simple, not have too much complications. Highly efficient and lightweight. What happens actually when you make everything with the stateful widget? What happens? Everything is changing, so it's become little bit heavy. So if you prefer to make the application with the stateless widgets, the states will not change, so it will keep the application very lightweight, so it is not rebuilding it. Suitable for components that do not require frequent updates. It's good where you don't want to update again, like you can say you're making an application and about us page, you can put it as a stateless, you put the static content. Or there's a way we will learn also in future that even with the stateless widgets we can do the actions which works, and user interacts also, it will change, but it will make the application live. And here is the example with that, like text, icon, and image. Like there's some text, we put it, icon and images. Here is like in the stateful widget, the comparison, if you do, what's the widget kind of? Checkbox, text field, and slider. Like checkbox are the, you can select, unselect. Text field, you put some data. Slider, the images are sliding. So these kind of things are happening in a different widgets. So we will use it with the application, and then we will learn what are the benefits and how we are going to use in these kind of widgets in our application. So see you guys in another video.